need to correct or change your name on your Amazon account? In this video, I will show you how to update your name on Amazon step by step. So, to know how to do that, just follow me. The first thing you have to do is to go to Amazon account, like this. Then you have to wait until this first page appears to you in that way. So you will click on this sign of profile. You will click on profile here. Then here in this page, like this, you will find this window. So we click on account window, like this, account here. Then when you will enter to your account, you will find this page. And here, as you see this page of account settings, you will enter to login and security. Login and security. You will tap on login and security here. And after that, in this page, you will find all your information of your account. So you will go to name here. You will click on edit name. And when you click on edit, they will give you this page to change your name. As you see here, they will give you this page to change your name. You can change it here. And when you change, for example, let's try it like this, and then you click on save changes. When you click here, then you can be able to change your name. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.